Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Stripe for online payments step by step clearly. To begin configuring Stripe for online payments, first, visit the Stripe website. Create an account by clicking on the Start Now button. Fill in your email address, full name, and a password. Next, verify your email by checking your inbox for a confirmation link. Once verified, log in to your new Stripe account. Begin the onboarding process by providing necessary business information. Enter your business name, website URL, and selected business type. Next, input your business address and phone number. Stripe will ask for a description of your products or services. Afterward, link your bank account for payouts by providing your bank details. Stripe will then prompt you to complete identity verification. You may need to upload a government-issued ID or other documents. Once your account is set up, navigate to the Developers tab on the dashboard. Under the API Keys section, you'll find your publishable and secret keys. Copy the publishable key for use in your website or app. Secure your secret key as this is sensitive information. Now, proceed to integrate Stripe with your website or app. If you're using a platform like WordPress or Shopify, check for available plugins. For custom integrations, download the Stripe library for your programming language. Follow the installation instructions provided in the library documentation. Once installed, set up the Stripe SDK in your code. Use the publishable key in your front end to create payment forms. On the back end, use the secret key to handle transactions securely. Test your integration using Stripe's test mode before going live. Create test transactions using the provided testing card numbers. Once testing is complete, switch to live mode by using your live API keys. Finally, monitor your dashboard for transaction activity and successful payments. Congratulations, you have successfully configured Stripe for online payments. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.